Also, guys, Zeko here once again. Alright, so um, quick update on the market and what I'm expecting. Just hold on, guys. Alright, so guys. So quick update on the market and what I'm expecting. So on my screen we have gold, but we'll be looking at gold, US oil, and some other pairs. But before then, let's jump right into it. So on gold, you guys would see gold actually played out just as I was expecting. Right, I said I was expecting to see a buy. It was few days ago. I said I was expecting to see a buy. We bought into this point. When we got here, we took out this liquidity here, right? We took out this guy and we took out this one. We were left with this one. So now I said I was expecting to see a sell, which also happened here, right? Now what am I expecting? To be very sincere, I feel like short term gold is gonna buy. Yeah, short term gold is gonna buy. So now if we look at it, we I feel like for gold we just need to push up a little bit, right, before we continue selling. Now that's pending on what US oil does or will do, and also depending on the news we have. So let's go into US oil. So for me, US oil, like you guys would notice, I said at this point I want to see price fill up this gap, which price did filled it up, and currently we're actually set. I feel like price might come down a little bit more, just a little bit more, then continue buying. But then this is just if the US and Iran war doesn't keep playing with our emotions. But overall, I still see the market actually buy into this zone. Although I am selling, I told my people to sell. I've been selling, right? After this whole buy from here to this point, we took profit. I sold from here. No, I sold from here to this point and to this point here, I guess. Then uh, I tried to enter another sell here. Mind you, this is a little bit risky because of what's happening in the market. The market might just choose to even go up here, but regardless, I'm still going to hold this position, right? I'm still going to hold the position regardless. Now, reason for selling is so that we can sweep out liquidity properly, right? So that we can sweep out liquidity properly. So if I see this guy do this, it's actually a good one. So for me, I want to see price. I'm already on this sell. I sent out the trade to my Telegram channel. Right, I sent out the trade to my Telegram channel. This was the sell. We kept selling, right? So we kept selling, and pretty much this is it. This was the trade. This has been all the trades we've been taking on the public channel, right? So for me, I'm still expecting price to actually sweep out liquidity here. We have liquidity here. I want to see us sell properly to around maybe 69. So we might sell to this region 69 maybe, right? But overall I just want to see price actually sell off. That's what I want to see price do. Now reason for the whole thing is just to give us more room. The market just can't keep buying. It just can't keep buying just like that without having room to breathe actually, right? So we've actually sold pretty much, swept out liquidity here, swept out liquidity here, swept out this liquidity I was expecting here, and even almost took out the one here, right? So for now I'm still gonna chill. It is risky selling from here, but now why I'm selling is so today being Friday, if I'm not mistaken, yes, the 10th of July. All right, I want to see price sell off here to the point where I expect. Then we close, right? The market now overall starts buying back, close with a gap during the weekend. We come back to, so pretty much we might see something like this, right? And once we sell off, now we'll see price leave us with a gap. When we open on Monday, we fill the gap, market comes back down, then we continue buying. Yes, we continue buying till we fill up this guy. So at this point, I want to see price fill it up. So if we fill it up completely, or we get to this point, right, we get to this point, I'll just know if how market reacts before we either choose to sell or continue buying. But for now, let's just keep watching how the market goes. So once we all right guys, so once we see this play out, we're good to go. Let's look at crypto, right? Okay, Bitcoin is buying still. Now, reason for Bitcoin buying is just because, or rather, reason for let me just highlight something. Reason for US oil doing what it's doing is Trump already said, what's his name? Iranian president called him and was they are trying to have a meeting and blah blah blah. This thing I feel like is just a way to manipulate the market, if you ask me, right? It's just a way to manipulate the market, but it's at that point everybody wants to keep their money where they won't lose it, and so far so good. Investors are looking to buy into gold more and invest their money into places where they are into risk-free assets. So I won't want to just emphasize so much on it. What am I saying? For use face recognition to unlock the device. So pretty much, just for me, I want to see price. I will be happy, very excited if I can see Bitcoin just do this for me. To be very sincere, I'll be really excited if I can see Bitcoin just do this. So, because at this point, when Bitcoin does this, I have a pending order around this 92k region. I will be really excited to really see Bitcoin do that, because I won't want to be left behind. If we can just go by, come into this point, I'll be happy, really really happy. So for now guys, what other pair? Gbpusd should be buying short term, okay. So Gbpusd should be buying short term, okay. Pretty much it's still buying. I don't know if I doubt we would be able to take out this weekly high. I doubt. Same thing as Euro USD. So for Euro USD, I still we said what I was expecting us to sell here, then continue buying. So we've already sold to this region already, right? So currently we're seeing the buy. So if we buy and boom to this point, it's still a good one. Nzdusd. So guys, if you're not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do want to subscribe so you keep watching my videos and updates, market insights, and all these things I publish or I post out here for the benefit of all, and also for the benefit of those that can't really afford my mentorship, right? do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll try as much as possible. I already said it. I will try as much as possible to keep posting regularly, and keep posting educational content more and things, so you guys can actually benefit and nobody's left behind. The goal for me is to at least get to 1K. I don't know how soon. I don't know how possible, or rather I know how possible, and it's by you guys subscribing and supporting the channel. So you guys should just help me subscribe to the YouTube channel. And the next batch for my mentorship will be ongoing this July. Right, it will be ongoing this July. So do well to send a message on Telegram or anywhere, any of my social media handles or platforms. Do well to subscribe. Ideally, it's supposed to be for 3 months, but judging how I used to host the mentorship, I don't host it every month. The last one we had, I guess it was either sometime last year or in February. So if you do it March, April, May, June, that's like 4 months extra. So I just don't go about hosting mentorship. You get. So, and that's one of the things that makes me stand out from every mentor out there. So back to what I was saying. NZD is not really giving an entry, if I'm being sincere, but NZD should be buying short term also. Should be buying short term NZD. So we might buy into this region here, then continue selling, because we still have liquidity here. Pretty much we have liquidity resting also below, and my principle still remains the same. Wherever there's liquidity, that's where the market tends to tap into first. So that being said, sorry I'm rushing like this and I'm sounding like this. I don't feel in my best way. I'm still, I guess, stress and everything. So, but yeah, I just have to come out here to update you guys so nobody's left behind. So if you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comment section or send me a DM on Telegram or on any of my social media platforms. And do well to subscribe once again. So you already know, guys, Echo is active. Cheers.